What's up, hungry muggles? It's officially Harry Potter week here in the Starving Chef's kitchen. Every year during the last week of July, I eat and drink all things Hogwarts to celebrate the boy who lived. Today, we're apparating into Snape's dungeon to concoct fizzy pumpkin juice that doubles as a love potion, because anyone who drinks it is sure to fall in love with you. Pull a pumpkin from Hagrid's garden and use the Defendo spell to mash and chop the pumpkin. If you're a muggle, then you can use canned pureed pumpkin instead. Grab a bottle of potion number 113, or apple juice for the non-magic folk, and pour it into the cauldron. Whisk in a generous amount of amortentia, or pineapple juice can be used as a substitute if you're running low on rose thorns and moonstone. Typically, dried rat spleen is used in most traditional love potions, but for the muggle version, a blend of cinnamon, cloves, and allspice can be used instead. Pick up a bottle of beguiling bubbles from Weasley's Wizard Wheezes to give the love potion a fizzy pop. The no-maj equivalent of beguiling bubbles is sparkling white grape juice, or for even more muggle fun, champagne. Stir the potion 33 times clockwise and then 15 times counterclockwise. Ladle the pumpkin potion into serving cups and use a conjuring spell to whip up some fluffy cream topping. Which Harry Potter book is your favorite? And what magical food would you like to see on my blog next? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to check out thestarvingchefblog.com, where I'll be exploring the world of Harry Potter all week. Hit that thumbs up button if you're a muggle, and subscribe for the no-maj recipes I post every week. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.